Hi, this is Andrea Earle with a short tutorial on how to add EdPuzzle to your Canvas course. Start by logging into the course you'd like to add EdPuzzle to. Click on Settings, Apps, and then select EdPuzzle. In a separate tab, go to edpuzzle.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your name, scroll down or select your school. Scroll down, you can select your subject area and it'll ask you for your LMS. In this case, it's Canvas. Select Canvas and now you have the consumer key and shared secret. Go ahead and go back to your Canvas course, select Add App, paste the customer key, paste, copy and paste the secret, and now you've added EdPuzzle. When you're ready to use EdPuzzle, go to your assignments, create a new assignment, name it whatever you want. I always call it a video, and then I'll give it the title of the video. This year, I'm also going to be adding the date. You then click on the assignment, edit it. Under submission, if you want to have directions on top, you can. Then submission type, you're going to go to external tool, find, and now you should have EdPuzzle as one of your options. Once you click on EdPuzzle, a pop-up menu will show up. If you have folders, you go to your folders, choose the video that you want to use, and assign the video. Make sure if you want closed captions on, and if you want to prevent skipping, that's on, and then you select Assign. And that's all there is to it. Make sure you hit select a second time, and then save your assignment.